Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your EV charger API using API keys safely. Beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your EV charger API using API keys safely, begin by understanding the importance of API keys. API keys are unique identifiers used to authenticate requests made to your API. Start by registering for an account with your EV charger API provider. Once registered, navigate to the API management section of their website. Here, you will find an option to generate a new API key. Follow the prompts to create your API key. Ensure you store your API key securely, as it is your access credential. Do not share your API key publicly, as this can expose your account to unauthorized access. Next, you'll want to implement your API key into your application. Use environment variables to store your API key locally. This keeps it out of your source code and adds an extra layer of security. In your application code, reference the environment variable where the API key is stored. When making API requests, include the API key in the request header. Typically, it is formatted like this: authorization, bearer your _API _key. Before deploying your application, check for any hard-coded API keys in your codebase. If you find any, replace them with secure methods of storing your keys. Once you are satisfied with your security measures, test your API integration. Ensure the requests are being authenticated properly using your API key. Monitor your API usage to detect any unauthorized access attempts. If you suspect your API key has been compromised, regenerate it immediately. Implement rate-limiting strategies to guard against abuse of your API key. Also, consider using IP whitelisting if supported by your API provider. By following these steps, you can safely authenticate your EV charger API using API keys. Always stay informed about security best practices as they evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.